Hi, everyone. I'd like you to meet Voca. Voca is the call center agent you've always dreamed of. She's smart, she's loyal, she's polite, and last but not least, she can instantly replicate herself. You know why? That's because she's not a human being, actually. So I'm Einav, and this is Danny, and today we are going to show you how banks and insurance companies are using Voca to dramatically reduce their operational costs and increase their revenue. So I would like you to meet also Mr. David Jones.
Hi.
So David Jones has accidentally missed his last credit card payment. Well, in situations like this...
Last time it happened, sorry.
Okay, in situations like this, the bank's collection team would typically receive a notification that includes David's contact information and profile. Then, an agent would try and reach out to David about 3 to 4 times on average until David is finally available to receive such a call. Once engaged, the agent would start by explaining the reason for the call, and then would start by handling rebuttals and objections, and pursuing eventually for the call goal, which is actually settling the actual debt. Well, there has to be a better way to engage with David and millions more like him. Okay, so imagine this is the bank's CRM system. Based on the bank's predefined business rules, an automated flow is triggered that would initiate a Voca phone call. Let's listen in, and I remind you that this is not a real person. This is an AI speaking.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have to take this. This is kind of important. Hello?
May I speak with Mr. David Jones, please?
That's me.
Yes, this is David.
Hi, David. My name is Sarah, and I'm a virtual agent calling from First Generic Bank. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. I just need to quickly verify that I'm speaking to the correct person. Can you please confirm the last 4 digits of your Social Security number?
I prefer not to. Those are personal details.
Well, this is a call about an unpaid balance that you have with us. Not going through with this call may mean damage to your credit card history, so can we continue?
Okay, I guess.
Right. And I'll just need the last 4 digits of your Social Security number.
Okay, that will be 7479.
Great, thank you. David, I'm calling about your outstanding credit card balance of $2,329 that has been overdue for 30 days. Now, I would like to know if I can take the payment for this amount over the phone today.
Wow, whoa, what is the amount again?
The outstanding amount is $2,329.
Wow, listen, I'm actually still waiting for my paycheck this month, so I can't pay this today.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, David, in order to prevent damage to your credit history, I do recommend that you make at least a partial payment today. Is that possible?
I'm not sure. What do you mean by partial payment?
The minimum amount is 25% of the outstanding amount. Will that work for you?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's great. You can pay either with a bank transfer or with another credit or debit card. Which one do you prefer?
I'll go with the bank transfer.
Bank transfer? Okay. I can text you our bank details. Is that okay?
Sure, go ahead.
Excellent. Well, I've just sent you the details. Okay, David, thank you for your time. And we're available if you need anything else or if you have problems with the payment. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you. So, as you can see over here, David's status was just updated to willing to pay info sent. Do you think David will make good on his promise? Have Voca call him, reach out to him in about 2 weeks, reminding him that the balance is still outstanding, and also encouraging to make an on-call payment. Yes, that's correct, you heard it right. Voca can actually go the full distance and follow up with David and also collect payment details over the phone. Well, at this point, you might be wondering what other use cases we are doing. So we would like to take a closer look at Voca's mind and see additional use cases, so you would get a sense of how easy it is to customize it to different customized and unique customer journeys. So this one, for example, is used for insurance renewal and cross-sell calls, including a live transfer to a human agent. So Voca makes about 2,000 calls per day for this specific customer, for each customer when his policy is about to expire, and also uses this opportunity to try and extend the policy coverage. Well, this is another one, a bit more complex. In this case, it's for sales development calls, okay, that is capable of scheduling 400 to 500 meetings per week for this specific customer in a fraction of the cost per lead. And we have many more like this. Each one of them, as you've seen before, is fully integrated with the bank system, including CRM, dialer, contact center technologies, and so on and so forth. Well, at this point, you might be wondering, what's our secret sauce? What makes these calls so smooth and natural? Well, to make it happen, our research team is focused in 3 main research areas that all of them are very important. The first one is the ability to extract all the information from the user voice, not just the words, but also the emotion and intonation, and identifying the user's true intent. Number 2, automatically mapping user journeys from recorded calls. And number 3, which is actually very unique for us, the ability to choose the best response and to optimize it to something that will lead to best business results. So, thank you. Come over to our booth today, and don't forget to vote for us. Come to our booth today to see how Voca can make millions of calls with natural conversations. Thank you very much.